Advising a foolish monkey. This is a story about a wise bird and a foolish monkey. Many birds lived on a mango tree in the jungle. They were happy in their little nests. Before the start of the rainy season, all the jungle animals have repaired their homes. The birds have also made their homes safer. Many birds brought twigs and leaves while others built their nests. We also need to stock up on groceries for our children, one of the birds chirped. And they gathered food until there was enough for the rainy season. They were busy preparing for hard times. Soon it started to rain. Thunder and lightning followed. All the animals and birds stayed in their homes. It rained many days. One day a monkey came into the forest, wet from the rain. He sat on a branch and shivered from the cold, water dripping from his body. The poor monkey tried his best to hide but in vain. The leaves weren't enough to save him from the rain. "Brrr, how cold," said the monkey. The birds watched everything. They felt sorry for the monkey, but there was little they could do for him. One of them said, "Brother, our nests are not enough to protect you." Another bird said, "We are all prepared for the rainy season. If you knew that, you wouldn't be in such a miserable situation." "How dare you tell me what to do?" said the monkey and growled at the bird. The monkey angrily attacked the bird's nest, tearing it into pieces and throwing it to the ground. The bird and its chicks were helpless. The poor bird thought, "Fools never appreciate good advice. It is better not to advise them."